Hi, my name is Brian Stephanie. On behalf of my co-director, Dr. Shankar Navanethan, and partners in Cleveland Clinic's Department of Nephrology and Hypertension, I'd like to offer an invitation to join us at the Cleveland Clinic Nephrology Update to be held this May 14th through 16th at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Cleveland. This course is designed to relay current information for nephrology practitioners. I'm excited to tell you about the team of experts that we have assembled for you. In 3 days, this conference will distill information and provide evidence for delivery of care that you need to know. Come and network with other participants as you gain insight from our faculty from Cleveland Clinic, as well as guest faculty, such as Dr. Jerry Appel from Columbia University Medical Center, Dr. Richard Glassick from the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA, and our esteemed guest pathologist, Dr. Charles Jeanette from the University of North Carolina. The course will highlight updated information on core topics presented at prior meetings, such as glomerular disorders and acute kidney injury, and showcase perennial favorites such as the CPC conference and the kidney biopsy case vignettes. But we strive to add new offerings each year, such as the optional ABIM MOC nephrology module on Thursday afternoon, where you can actively participate in weighing the evidence case by case to identify the most appropriate answer to the ABIM questions and earn MOC points. A highlight not to miss this year is the Kasperzak lecture on renal artery stenosis presented by Dr. Mark Pohl. You'll gain new insight, formulate ideas, and develop a renewed vision for your practice. Join me at this dynamic learning experience, Cleveland Clinic Nephrology Update, to be held this May 14th through 16th.